Welcome to God Academy. Today we're diving into the art of keyframe mastery using CapCut. In today's video, you'll learn how to create smooth animations, dynamic movements, and eye-catching effects using keyframes in CapCut. If that's what you want to learn, let's jump right in and get started.
Alright, so welcome back, guys. This is the second video in the series for episode 1 of our motion graphics keyframe mastery. So we want to create the airplane animation. It's going to be quite easy. Here we have in CapCut, no assets imported, everything just clean. So we want to import the assets that we need for this video. So like I said, you can go to the description to get these assets and even more for the future lessons. So I'm going to select what I need to. I'm just holding down control. I'm selecting my plane icon and my background. This is what I usually use for my background, this grid here. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna select this for my background. If you've not watched the previous video, please go and watch it so that you understand everything we're trying to do here. So I want to make my background to be a little lighter so that I can see whatever is going on in the foreground. So I'm going to go to blend and reduce the opacity to usually I like to place it to 15 to 20%, but placing whatever is comfortable for you. So for me, this video probably 19 or 17. I think I just go 17 because this works. Then I'm going to select the plane icon as an overlay. All right, I will reduce the size because we are scaling. The trick is the airplane is coming into the viewer's eye or coming into the viewer's view. So I want to make it a little less visible. So you see the trick we use. Enough talking. So I'm going to add the platform or line where the plane is going to land. So if you've watched the previous video, you probably know what to do. So yeah, I'm sure you're guessing it right. So I'm going to select my default text and I will make this an underscore, shift underscore, just for it to cover the screen. And I will pick it up, make it sure that it comes to the end of my video. And I like the platform to just be here. Here is perfect. Let me move this up a bit so that by the time I'm scaling, it's quite easy for me. I'll still bring it down a bit because of the scaling that I'm going to do. So yeah, we assume that the plane is far. And we have our playhead here. So like I said in previous video, you can use keyframes to do magic. So here I have my playhead and I want to add a keyframe. So you can just use transform or scale, but let's just select transform in this case for the playhead. And I'm going to move the playhead to the end. All right. I move the playhead to the end, and I'm going to go and select this object that I'm trying to scale into the screen. Okay. And I'm going to go to where my scale is, just bring it to 100% and move it to whatever, because what keyframe does is whatever you're doing to that particular object, it's going to record that movement and help you play back. All right. I don't know if that makes sense, but the more you practice, the more you see what I'm saying. So now we have the plane. So I'm going to try to scale it to 100%. Okay, I think this is fine. Then I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to pick it and bring it down to the platform. Oops, I don't want this to go bad. I think this is perfect. Great. So now with our keyframes, you notice that, let's select this so you see what happened here. So you notice that a lot of things have changed. If I move this playhead, you see how it goes in reverse. Or I move it further, you see how it zooms back in and takes the platform. Now keyframes are to help you record that movement you made to that object. In this case, the object is the plane. So let's play from the start so you see what I'm trying to say. You see that it's quite easy. So with keyframes, you can do a lot. So the more you follow this series, the more you're going to learn a lot about keyframes and how you can perform magic in video editing. So I'm going to play this so you see what I'm trying to say. Great. So you see how the plane is coming into and then it lands on the platform. Nice. Don't you like it? And you can do it within 5 minutes or less, and that's amazing. So you can just add your sound effect, whatever you want to do. Like me, I added sound effect. I made it look realistic. So these are things that you can use to create very engaging lessons and videos. If you're a YouTuber or you are a presenter, whatever it is, you come in handy. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.